Hello everyone, and this is part 2 of how suppliers can respond to a sourcing event or an RFX using the Ariba network. So the first scenario we walked through was inviting an existing supplier in your system that already has an Ariba network account. And the second scenario is inviting a new supplier in your Ariba system and that does not have an Ariba network account. So just to go through the process again, so we'll be inviting a new supplier in the sourcing event and then giving them access to respond via the Ariba network. The reason why we would do that is to allow suppliers to adhere to our process, and once they do that, it'll give us the empowerment to do side-by-side comparison for those supplier responses. The real value there again is standardizing the sourcing process, having that visibility of the detailed responses, and we're generally trying to simplify the response process for suppliers. So let's have a look at how that's done. So I've created an existing sourcing project. I've added a new supplier. So we've created a new supplier here that doesn't have an account on the Ariba network. And I'm just going to go ahead and publish this event now. So the new supplier should receive an email inviting them to participate, and he's got an invitation to participate in this event. So we're going to go ahead and click on the link. So because I don't have an existing account, I'm just going to sign up with a new Ariba account. So you can see here it's already defaulted the company name, the country, and the username that we've entered in the sourcing process. So I'm just going to go ahead and put an address. So here again, with the user email, you can either use your email as your login account, or you can update it and put in a new username. So I'm just going to go ahead and put a password as well. You can agree to the terms and conditions. So we're going to go ahead and create this account now. So here's the event that I'm being requested to participate in. So there's a few things that you need to do before actually responding. So first of all, you have to review the prerequisites as a supplier. Read them thoroughly. Once you agree, accept the terms, and then we'll proceed. And now it actually shows us the lines that it wants us to participate in. So what you can do, you can either select specific lots that you want to participate and respond to, or you can go ahead, select them all, and then submit the selected lots. So now you can put in your response. So for this RFP, it's only the one item that they're trying to source. So it's good use assurance weather ready tires. So I'm just going to go ahead and quote. So I'll go ahead and put in 179, and that's per unit. So they want 500 items. So I'll go ahead and update the totals real quick, and you'll see that it's changed it there. I'll put a lead time of 5 days, and the shipping cost is going to be $9 as well. So once you've completed, you can go ahead and submit your entire response. So now you've responded successfully, and on the buyer side, so if we go back to the buyer real quick, if we refresh this screen, it should show us that Speedtech Tires has responded